Exercise 2 now, and in this exercise we're going to complete the gaps in the sentences with the articles a or an, zero article or the. We should also add an s in the plural if necessary. So, sentence 1 first of all. Can you give me something hand? Well, the noun of the sentence is hand and it is countable. Now, the next question is this hand singular or plural? And the answer is, it's singular. Next question, is this hand general or particular? And the answer is, this hand is general. So that leaves a or an, and because hand begins with a consonant, h, we use a. So can you give me a hand? I should also say, can you give me a hand is an expression. It means, can you give me some help? Number 2 now. What time does something movie start? Well, the noun of the sentence is movie, and the first question is this movie singular or plural? Well, the use of does indicates that it is singular, so we can cross off the s. Next, is this movie general or particular? An would be general, the would be particular. We can't use zero article because this countable noun is in the singular. So, general or particular, and in this sentence, this movie is particular. So we're going to say, what time does the movie start? Sentence number 3 now. Do you sell something battery? As before, the first question is, what is the main noun? And that is battery. The next question is, are we talking about battery in the singular or in the plural? And the answer is, it's in the plural. And the next question is, are we talking about batteries in general or in particular? We can't use a or an because battery is in the plural. So that leaves zero article for talking generally about countable articles in the plural, or the for talking about countable articles in the plural. So is this sentence general or particular? And the answer is, it's general. So we should simply say, do you sell batteries with no article? Sentence number 4 now. I've never tried something curry before. As before, first question, what is the noun? And that's curry here. Next, are we talking about curry in the singular or in the plural? Now, curry is usually uncountable, so we can't put it in the plural. Next question, are we talking about curry, which is uncountable, in general or in particular? If we're talking about it in general, we're going to be using zero article. If we're talking about curry uncountable in particular, we'll use the. We can't use a or an with curry because it's uncountable. So is this sentence general or particular? And the answer is, it's general. So the full sentence is, I've never tried curry before with no article. Sentence number 5 now. We had something fish and something chip for lunch. And the first question is, should this go into the singular or into the plural? Well, fish is usually uncountable, so we can't put it into the plural. The next question is, are we talking about fish in general or in particular? If it's general, we'll use zero article for uncountable, and if it's particular, we'll use the. So, general or particular? The answer is, it's general. We had fish, zero article. We're not talking about a particular fish for lunch. Next word is chip. Does this go in the singular or the plural? It would be strange to have just one chip for lunch, so this would be plural. Now, the next question is, are we talking about chips in general, in which case we would use zero article for countable plurals, or in particular, in which case we would use the for countable plurals? And the answer is, we're talking about chips in general. So we should say, we had fish and chips for lunch. No article. Sentence number 6. I love something old books. The noun of the sentence is book. And the next question is, does it go into the singular or the plural? And the answer for this sentence is it should be plural. The next question is, are we talking about books in general, in which case we would use zero article for countable plurals, or in particular, in which case we would use the? We can't use a or an because this countable noun is in the plural. So, general or particular? And the answer is, it's general, in which case the sentence is, I love old books. No article or zero article. And finally, sentence number 7. I've just come from something office. Now, the noun in this sentence is office, and the first question is, should it be in the singular or in the plural? Well, it's my office and there's only one, so it's singular. Next question, are we talking about an office in general or in particular? Well, in this sentence, as I've said, it's probably my office I'm talking about, so it's a particular office. In that case, we should use the. I've just come from the office, and the person I'm talking to knows which office I'm talking about. So that's the end of exercise 2.